Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I will show you exactly how to download and install WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. It is simple, completely free, and only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your Windows screen and type in the word Store. Click on the Microsoft Store application to open it. Once the store is open, go to the search bar at the top, type WhatsApp and press enter. Look for the official WhatsApp application in the search results. Make sure it says it is published by WhatsApp Inc. Avoid the WhatsApp beta version, as we want the most stable release. Go ahead and click the install button. Wait a moment while Windows downloads and installs the app to your computer. Once the installation finishes, you can close the Microsoft Store. To easily find WhatsApp in the future, go back to your Windows search bar, type WhatsApp, right-click the app icon, and select Pin to start. Now go ahead and open WhatsApp. You will see a QR code on your computer screen. To log in, you need to link it with your phone. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device. If you are using an Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Linked Devices. If you are on an iPhone, tap Settings in the bottom right corner and then tap Linked Devices. Tap Link a Device, point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen, and you are all set. Your chats will immediately sync and you can start messaging right from your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple tech guides. See you in the next video.